morning, one and all. Hope you all are fine by grace of God. Today I am going to discuss about reduction of syllabus. Students, you all are aware with the current situation why our school are closed because of coronavirus. Students, just because of COVID-19, government of Maharashtra reduced 25% of portion for this academic year 2020-21. Students, in my today's video, I have highlighted the deleted questions which has been reduced by government of Maharashtra. So, students, please, you people also marked deleted portion in your textbook. So, students, we will come to the our first chapter, basic concept of geometry. Come to the first chapter, basic concept of geometry. Practice set 1.1. In main question number first, question number 6, 7 and 8 is cancelled question reduced from this syllabus. Main question number second, question number 5th and question number 6th is reduced question. This is not coming in your examination. Similarly, main question number 3rd, question number 4th, 5th and 6th is deleted question. Main question number 5, points x, y, z are collinear. This full question is deleted from this academic year 2021. Students, turn the page and come to the next exercise. Practice set 1.2. Come to the main question number 6. Main question number 6. Answer the follow question with the help of the figure. Main question number 3rd. Find the distance of UV. This question is deleted. Now, further, come to the page number 11, practice set 1.3. No question has been deleted from this practice set. The whole practice set is coming. Now, practice set 1. Problem set 1. Main question number 2nd, sub question 3rd and 4th is deleted question from this academic year. Similarly, main question number 3rd, question number sub question 5th and 6th. Turn the page. Problem set 1, main question number 6. Coordinate of point A on a number line is 1. This question is deleted. Same page. Main question number 10. Draw a labeled figure. This question is cancelled. 1, 2, 3. All three sub question is cancelled. Now come to the next chapter, parallel line. फर्स्ट चैप्टर में उतना ही था. नाउ प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.1. मेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd. In figure 2.7, line L parallel to line M, this question is reduced from the syllabus. This one is reduced. Same practice set. Main question number 5th. In figure 2.9, line AB parallel to CD. This question is deleted. Now directly jump to the page number 21. There are two corollary. Corollary 1 and 2. These two corollary has been reduced from your syllabus. Now practice set 2.2. 1, 2, 3, 4th question is as it is. Turn the page. Now problem set 2. Problem set 2. Whole question is as it is. No question is deleted from PS 2.1 and problem set 2. So here is student, two chapters cancellation question I have discussed with you. Now come to the third chapter, triangles. Triangles. So students, triangle. Come to the page number. Page number. Which page number it is? Let me check. Come to the page number 25. 25. Use your brain power. This is cancelled. Cancel it. Now further. Go ahead. You go ahead. Come to the page number 26. 26. Example 3rd. and method 1 and 2 is there for solving the example third. This whole page is cancelled. Now go to the page number 27. Example fourth is also reduced from the syllabus. Now come to the practice set 3.1. Practice set 3.1. Question number 9. Question number 9, using the information in figure. This question number 9 is reduced from the syllabus. Cancelled it. Now go to the page number 33. Jump on page number 33. Here two theorem is there, isosceles triangle theorem and its converse. So this two theorem is cancelled. Isosceles triangle theorem, corollary, converse of isosceles triangle theorem. This whole page is deleted and reduced from the syllabus. Turn the page, page 34, corollary and use your brain power. This is cancelled one from the syllabus. After that, property 30, 60, 90 of triangle, it is there. Now, student, further turn the page and come to the page number 30, page number 48. Come to the page number 48. Here, one project and one activity is there. This page is based on project and activity. This whole page is reduced from the syllabus for this academic year. Cancel it. Now, go to the next one, next page. Come to the page number, turn the page and come to the chapter fourth, construction, practice set 4.1. Question number 4, construct triangle ABC. This question is reduced from the syllabus. Cancel in your textbook. Now go to the page number 53, practice set 4.3. Whole question is coming. Problem set fourth, main question number third is reduced from the syllabus. Cancel this question. The perimeter of a triangle, it is based on perimeter. Cancel it and come to the fifth chapter, quadrilaterals. This chapter is very much important as per your 10th standard also and in 9th standard also. Come to the page number 59. One activity is there, draw 5 parallelogram by taking various. This is cancelled. Cancel that activity. Now come to the page number 61. PS 5.1, main question number 7. In figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on the ray AB. This one is deleted question, reduced from the syllabus. Now turn the page and come to the page number 67. PS 5.2, main question number 3rd and main question number 5th is cancelled question. Main question number 3rd and main question number 5th is, these two question is reduced from your syllabus for this academic year. Now cancel it in your textbook also. Now further turn the page and jump on the page number, let me check, page number 68. This one, write the proof of the following statements. This three statement has reduced from the syllabus and go to the page number, come to the page number 75. Activity to verify the different property and additional information. The whole page of 75 is cancelled, reduced from your syllabus. So cancelled in your textbook also. Now next chapter, circle. Come to the page number 70. Let me check, page number 78 I thought. Practice set 6.1. Question number 6. Prove that if a diameter of a circle bisect two chords, the circle, then those two chords are parallel to each other. This one is cancelled. Now come to the page number 81. There are one theorem. Page number 81, theorem. The chord of a circle equidistant from the center of a circle are congruent. This theorem is reduced from your syllabus for this academic year. Now delete it. Now come to the page number 6.2, practice set 6.2. I don't know the page. Main question number third is deleted. Main question number third, practice set 6.2, main question number third is reduced from the syllabus. This question. Now directly jump on the page number 87. 87. This question. Construct in circle is deleted question, reduced from the syllabus. Cancel this question. Cancel this question. In circle and circumcircle. Now, after that, come to the next chapter, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Come to the page number 92. There are one activity is there. This activity is reduced from the syllabus. Cancel that activity. This activity as shown in the figure 7.5, ask girl to sit. This one is deleted one. Now come to the page number 94. Here let's discuss, can we draw a line parallel to x-axis? These 3 points has been reduced from the syllabus. Cancel these 3 points from your textbook. Now after the page number 94, come to the page number 95. Here also 3 points are there. Let's discuss. Delete and cancel these 3 points also, because this is also reduced from the syllabus. Now after that, come to the next chapter, trigonometry. Directly jump on page number 106. Here for more information table is there. Here some basic formulas is there. 1 upon sine theta equals to cosec theta. This is very much important, but is in this year this whole this table has been reduced from the syllabus. So student, cancel this table from your textbook. It is not coming. After that, come to the page number 1, let me check, page number 116. I thought page number 116, practice set 8.2, question number 1. In the following table, here question number 1 2 3 4, fifth, this is fifth one. Fifth one, 1 upon under root 3. Fifth question is cancelled. 6 7 8 and 9th is cancelled. So in question number 1, question number 5th, 8 and 9th is cancelled. After that, turn the page and come to the page number 116, page number 118, page number 119. Come to the page number 119. Problem set 9.2, practice set 9.2, main question number 7th, 8th and 9th. This 3 question is reduced from your syllabus. Now after that, turn the page, surface or and sphere, 120 page number. This activity has been reduced from your syllabus. This activity, cancel this activity. Now after that, come to the page number, last one, page number, I don't know the page number, problem set 9. Come to the problem set 9. Main question number 8 has been deleted. Page number 123. Problem set 9. Main question number 8 and 9 has been reduced from your syllabus for only this academic year 2020 and 21. Students, hope you people can understood well the deleted question and the reduced question which has been cancelled by the government of Maharashtra. Hope you people can marking hope you people can understood well. Now anyone have any doubt and any difficulty, you have my number, call and discuss, message me and clear your difficulty. Thank you.